Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on paper flowers. This one specifically is the dahlia and I thought it was super pretty. So let's get started. So first you're going to need paper, any kind of color or color preference that you want to incorporate. This one specifically is 65 weight paper, 8 by 11. You're also going to need 3 circles of different sizes, scissors, ruler, glue gun, glue stick, marker, pen. So now I'm going to show you how I roll the petals for these flowers. Basically you get the short corner and the long corner, and your major objective here is to form the petal itself. It doesn't have to come down to a complete cone, because you can have wider flower petals or thinner petals. Now we're gonna glue the 2 ends together like that. So it's gonna take a few times to get used to folding the paper. It's just I've done it so many times, it's not as complicated as you may think. And they don't have to be perfect. Not all flowers are. So that's the end petal. Well, what it should look like anyways. I'll show you one more time. So again, you're gonna take the shorter part and join it with the longer part to make the petal. Again, focus more on the tip of the petal and what you want to look like. It doesn't have to make a complete cone. See? So now we're just gonna glue the ends together. Like that. You know, burn yourself a few times on this hot glue gun. So we're just gonna hold it there for a second, wipe off some glue. And again, this doesn't have to be pretty, just because you're just gonna glue it down. Just, again, focus on the petal itself. So now I brought in the template. I cut out the 5-inch circle for this specific color. And now we're just gonna glue these onto the template. So what you want to do is measure the petal halfway or less than halfway up so that it flares out and over. Something like that. You don't want them too close together either, just because it requires more paper, more cones. That, and just so that it doesn't give the flower too much of a bunched up look. And you're just going to continue this until you finish the circle. So now what you want to do is just stack where there isn't a flower. Basically measure the tip of the petal to be a little lower than the one you just glued on. And you can obviously see, you can squish or scrunch up the middle part just so that it lifts the petal a little. But again, you don't want to put it too far to the edge or the same length as the one you just glued. Just keep going and measuring where you want the placement of each petal or each cone. As you get closer to the center, you're going to want to either cut or fold the end of the cone more, just so that there's more lift to the petal, just so that you can see the round shape of it all. Cutting them to adjust them to where I want them to be. So then once you're getting closer and closer to the center, you're gonna get your trusty old pencil, and you can squish it just so that you don't burn your fingers off. I would prefer the pencil over my finger any day. So you cut and fold, press down, cut, fold, press until you have your center the way you want. So at any point you can stop here and put like a centerpiece within it, or you can keep going and fill it up with the rest of the petals. Fan down the hot glue. Since this is a high temp glue gun, it was taking longer for the glue to set, so I had to fan off a little just so that it could set my petals faster. So there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And as always, stay tuned.